Hey y'all, my name is Tito Santana. I'm a retired Navy chief, and I just started Screaming Goat CNC. And I must share a little secret with you. I have no idea on what I'm doing. Even with this video, I have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm gonna figure it out one video at a time, one carve at a time, and every mistake is gonna be a learning opportunity. Why did I start this channel? I've always liked working with my hands. I've been in aviation for 24 years, and along the way, done woodworking projects, built things around the house, renovated, rehab some things around the house. It's just something I've always enjoyed, but never had the dedicated time to do it. So CNC felt like the perfect challenge for me. I did take a Rockler course, um, and to see if I wanted to get into the CNC. And although it still seemed a little intimidating, and a little complex, or a lot of complex, it still motivated me, and it gave me some encouragement to move forward with learning to CNC. So this channel is about learning something totally new and gonna have fun doing it. Uh, what this channel is all about the beginner CNC journey. You're going to see me set up my machine, learn the software, which I'm still on the fence. But I've been YouTubing a lot of Vectric channels and people who use Vectric. And when I took that CNC course through Rockler, they were using Vectric. So I'm kind of leaning that way. But if you have a software that you are currently using, and or interested in wanting to use, let me know and we'll see. Or Carbide 3D, was it Carbide Create? I think it's one of them. So I'm going to be looking into all those to see which ones would be the best one to not only learn but to grow into. So I'm going to share all the wins with you, all the mistakes, all the old bottle ways, all the things I figured out. And if you're learning CNC too, or just thinking about it, this channel is for you too. Join the Goat Locker. All right. So if you're into the CNC, maybe you're a military brother or sister, or you support veterans and our active duty families out there currently serving, or you just want to see me try to figure out I don't know, what a bullnose bit or servicing bit does, then, or if you just simply, like I said, just thinking about if this is, then it's for you. So hit subscribe and join the Goat Locker, help a brother out. Or maybe you're just here for the Screaming Goat. That's cool too. Oh, by the way, I got a 4x4 Altmill on the way, so stay tuned for that video because it's gonna get loud. Peace. Like I said, I'm learning this video thing, so I'm not sure how the edits and all that's gonna work out, but I just want to share that. What's that tapping sound? Well, let me see. I got Harley right over there. She's a 1-year-old German Shepherd. And then, where is he at? Then I got Ryder. He's a 7-year-old Frenchie. And yes, if you haven't figured out yet, Harley Ryder. I've been riding motorcycles for 30 years now, and the past 16 years I've been a Harley enthusiast. And you're probably wondering why Screaming Goat. Well, like I mentioned in the video, I'm a retired Navy chief, and we called our meeting areas the Goat Locker. Without getting into naval history of the chief's mess, that's something that we use a lot. It's a Goat Locker. And then a fun twist on the Goat Screams is that I've heard that I gotta be careful with a CNC because it's gonna sound like goats screaming. And fun fact I have, there is a farm entering into my neighborhood here, and they have like, I don't know, 50 goats, and I heard them scream one time, and I was like, holy crap, they do scream. I never heard a goat scream. They do scream, and if the CNC is gonna scream the way it does, and I did hear some videos, I did watch some videos and hearing some of the CNCs running, and although we all know audio doesn't do it justice to the speakers, I can see how it relates. So I think it's just a great way to tie in my military background with my current CNC, and I love my pets, especially, you know, it's fun, and it's a great reminder of how much I love motorcycles and being a Harley Davidson enthusiast. Yeah, English is my first language, by the way, and I can't speak. And for those of you that, you know, are gonna drop some comments and make fun of my video or my skills here, you try talking to a camera. So weird, but yep, that's it. Peace.